We'll guide you through how to mail merge from Excel to Word. If you find this useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. Here's the Excel sheet I'm going to be using. So first of all, come into Word and go to the top and click on Mailings. And you then want to go and click on Start Mail Merge and choose what you want to go and create. Whether that be labels or envelopes, there's a few different options there. I'm going to do labels, so I'll click there. It'll go and take a moment. And what you need to do is go and choose the size you want to go and make. So you can go and choose different label vendors as well. I'll just go and use one of these though as an example. You can go through the different options here and see the information to the right. Once you're happy with one selected, click OK. Now go to the top again and click on Select Recipients and click on Use an Existing List. And then what we need to do is go and find the spreadsheet and go and select it and go and click on Open, like so, and then go and select the table and sheet. I'll then press OK, and as you can see, we can now go and see how our labels are going to go and look. Now what you want to do is go to the top and find Insert Merge Field, and just go above that and click on the icon, and now we can start choosing the fields we want to use. Your fields may be different to mine, it's going to depend upon your sheet. So select, for example, the first name, click on Insert, then Close, and I'll go and put a space in, and then come back to that same button above Insert Merge Field, and you can select last name, then click Insert, and we can go and press Close. I'll then press Enter because we want to go down another line and click on that same button above Insert Merge Field, and we'll then select Address and click on Insert, then Close. I'll then press Enter again, and you get the idea. You then go and click on that same button and you choose what you want next and click Insert. Once you've finished with labels, you then need to click on the button Update Labels like so. However, I found with envelopes you don't need to do that, so that will vary a bit. And then what you can do is click on Finish and Merge. What you can do is click on Print Documents and we'll press All and press OK. Now what you can then do is choose your printer and go and print it. But what I like to do is just do it as a PDF just so I can see how it looks. I'll then click OK and I'll then go and save it. I'll then go and open it up like so, and that is how they're going to go and look. And that's fine. And these are just random addresses, by the way. And what you can do is go and print it as I just saved it, or go to the top right here and print it